Hi everyone, it's great to see you. It is early morning here and today we are planting up the deck planters, one of my favorite days of all. So this is the fourth season that I've done the deck planters. The first year when I planted them all with a pink, purple, white color scheme, but each box was different. That was a lot of fun. I got to try a lot of new plants. The next year my daughter was getting married and she had a purple theme, and she was getting married in September, so I waited a little later to plant them, and they all were purple. Also gorgeous. Now last year I did them all the same with a heavy emphasis on petunias. I loved how the petunias cascaded. They really were fabulous. So this year, I'm trying something different. I'm keeping some of my favorite elements from prior years, and I'm going to pull those into all of the boxes. So I do have some continuity. However, I'm also changing up one element in each. So let's take a look at some of these. You're going to see I've already sort of laid them out. In each of our planters, we have a tiara pink and a tiara blue, my favorites from last year. And then I have a couple of sweet potato vines. These are the Sweet Caroline Lime, and they, to me, they cascade, but they're beautiful. They add that lime green element. They don't get quite as out of control as, say, the Medusa sweet potato vine. So I think that's a good choice. Also, my rabbits can't get up this high to eat them, so it's a good choice for the planters. I get to enjoy them without running out to scare away the rabbits all the time. The other thing that I have that's the same in each of these, I have a couple of the geraniums that I grew from seed. So these were the ones that I didn't have the grow lights to pot them up. So they have lived in their little paper pots, and you can tell they've suffered a bit. Some of them got tall and leggy so that they got the sun, like this one. Some of them got a little shaded out, so they're a little bit on the smaller side, but you know what? They're going to love being in these boxes now. I planted 3 different types of geraniums. I planted a bright pink variety called Rose. I planted a sort of medium pink called Star, and then I planted a very light pink, the Apple Blossom. So although I'm going to have the same element of geraniums in the center, and that'll be kind of my tall piece in the middle here, they will range in different colors. For the boxes that I've chosen to have the lighter Apple Blossom, I'm choosing my change up plant here to be something brighter. Like, aren't those awesome looking petunias? So they're going to have this lighter color in the center with the geraniums, and then a brighter addition. For those boxes that are getting the real bright pink geranium in the center, I'm choosing something lighter like we have in this beautiful petunia, and this is the Supertunia Vista Silverberry, so it's lighter, so we'll have the color in the center and then something more delicate on the outside. Let me get these planted up and I'll tell you about the other little changes that I've made once they're all planted. all planted up, and I have to say I can't wait to show you how they look in a few weeks, because yeah, they look a little, you know, straggly now and there's some space, but they're going to need that space. So let me tell you exactly what I put in each of them. I am loving these two types of petunias. These are the, let's see, the one on the end here is the Crazy Tunia Cosmic Purple and the Crazy Tunia Cosmic Violet. They are just so different. I'm excited about those. And then I have Broalia in the white. This is a Flirtation. I usually do the Endless Illumination, which is the purple, so I'm excited to see how the white variety does here. The change up here, of course, is the Silverberry, and these are some healthy looking Silverberry. My goodness, love it. And then over here, I have Bordeaux too. Now, Bordeaux has always done great for me. This year, they've released another Bordeaux, Bordeaux the second. Supposedly, some people had trouble with the first variety, and this is supposed to be new and improved. It looks a lot different to me. It's still pretty, it's just different. So we'll see how it does. Does it do that much better or not? Over here, I put in some of the Nonstop White Tuberous Begonias, and they are beautiful. I usually don't put them up here on the deck, so it'll be nice to see them. And then in my far pot that's way over here, I, for the first time, am trying the Laguna Cloud White Lobelia. So never tried that before. It's going to be interesting. And this one's set up a little different because it's against the wall here. I put my geraniums, the tall part, against the wall, and then the trailing parts will come out on this side. So these are looking great. Oh, and you might have noticed down here, I had showed you how I had sort of tidied up these beautiful dressed up ball gown heuchera. Look at how they came back. I mean, this is amazing. There's another one up there. I am so pleased with these, and we'll be planting up these planters in the near future. So stay tuned. If you could take a moment to like, subscribe, make a comment, that would be fabulous. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.